All right, yeah, I was just talking with Jack, and we were just going over some of the techniques of the pro agility. If you walk with me, and I'll kind of demonstrate. When I'm getting over here to the line, I know it's 5 yards, but if like I was telling Jack, if you notice, I reach my hand out and my leg out, but the rest of my body, I'm a yard still inside of the line that I'm going with my weight shifted over here. I don't get over here, so I never really get, my body never really even get, I cut 5 yards into 4 yards with my body, and I just reach forward with my leg and my hand. So I'm like, boom, right here, coming out. Same thing I was telling them. When I get over here, I start to get ready, and I kind of jump into it, hit the wall, boom. And as you can see, I reach with my hand, but my body is still over here. Majority of my head was still a yard inside, so I just cut it and made it into 4 yard with other reach, and boom. I'm right back here. So in reality, although I'm going to 5 and I'm reaching for 5, my body's only making it to 4 this way, and back to the middle. So Jack's going to demonstrate that, and he's going to work at that. I'm going to record it. Thanks.